Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Temu to get free coupons. In this guide, we'll show you how to hunt down, unlock and fully maximize free coupons and multi-tier voucher bundles on one of the fastest growing online marketplaces in the world. If you want to master how to bypass standard retail pricing entirely by hacking the built-in promotional architecture on this platform, you're in the right place. We're going to move systematically through the system's interactive ecosystem, moving far beyond generic advice to examine the literal functional tabs, dedicated promotional entries, and gamified sub-networks where high-value coupon bundles are stored. Navigating an interface designed around rapid-fire rewards can feel completely chaotic if you don't know which buttons to press or which marketing traps to avoid. So we'll be breaking down those hidden reward systems into an incredibly clear, highly repeatable blueprint for both fresh account and returning shoppers. Also, if you want to try Temu yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get a free coupon on your next order. For individuals setting up a footprint on the platform for the first time, your absolute highest earning opportunity sits right at the top of the account creation. The platform actively prioritizes new user acquisition by gating a multi-tier promotional package inside the primary registration portal. To claim this initial treasure trove, you must head over to the User Profile and Settings tab located on the main control taskbar. Once you open the gateway, initializing a clean profile via a verified email address or an external security credential triggers an automated background system check. If your device identity and network footprint register as completely fresh to the ecosystem, the interface immediately responds by presenting a highly visual, interactive promotional splash screen. This is the introductory gateway to the coveted multi-voucher package, a structured series of individual account sheets that collectively slash up to $100 or more of initial purchase milestones. To ensure these vouchers bind permanently to your new minted profile, you must immediately open up the sub-menu labeled Coupons and Offers. You can go over here and select coupon offers. This is nested directly within your profile dashboard as you've seen. This screen functions as your personal physical ledger for digital currency. If you look closely, you'll see that there's a breakdown displayed here. You'll see the total bundle segmented into individual rules, such as a large deduction on an order crossing a specific threshold or a straight 50% markdown on smaller hauls. You could also see right here a $200 coupon bundle app only. You can enjoy with minimum order value and you need to download the Temu app to get it. Now, beginners often make the critical mistake of letting these activate silently without reviewing the strict expiration countdowns attached to each individual ticket. So always verify these parameters inside this specific dashboard before you begin adding items to your cart, ensuring you sequence your purchases to use the highest value vouchers first. Going back to the main page, if you're an existing user who has already burned through the initial welcome gift, you don't need to worry. The platform maintains a highly covered direct entry keyword campaign system that completely bypasses the standard browsing directories. To utilize this hidden layer of the site, you do not look for banners or clickable advertisements. Instead, you direct your attention straight to the main global search bar situated prominently at the absolute top corner of the interface. This input field is not just for finding physical items, it doubles as a direct terminal for executing promotional command phrases. When you type an active, verified alphanumeric campaign code or an official affiliate string into this specific search container and hit enter, you bypass standard product listings entirely. The interface immediately shifts, refreshing into a dedicated, highly immersive campaign fulfillment hub. So if you have those codes, you can use them right here. Now, this specialized view instantly processes the code against your account history. For returning shoppers, this mechanism frequently unlocks unadvertised retention bonuses such as a 90% discount voucher on a flat price ticket tailored to items currently sitting in your browsing history. The absolute key to consistency here is timing and source verification. These search activated phrases operate on extremely volatile cycles, often refreshing daily during major seasonal events. Train yourself to use this search bar as the entry terminal at the start of every single shopping session to pull hidden promotional assets directly into your active account profile. Now, beyond direct codes, the platform runs a highly sophisticated gamified ecosystem explicitly designed to reward user engagement to massive coupon credit. To access this hidden engine, you need to head over to Earn Free Gift and Rewards desk. Now, you might find this in your version of Temu, but if you don't, you might need to check another time. But if you can find this here on your homepage or going over to your profile and searching through, you might be able to get access to it. For example, if you click on coupon and offers in your region, you might be able to find this. But if you don't, of course, you can again go to the search bar and enter specific promotional keywords in the global search bar. You might ask again, how do you get these promotional keywords? Well, you might get them online, through ads, or through accounts that have access to them. And once they share it, you can come over to Temu and see what's available for you. Also, some of these rewards and gifts are available when you get the Temu app, so it won't be available on the desktop version. So you might want to try that out as well. At this point, I would like to remind you that if you want to try Temu yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get a free coupon on your next order. Now, once you step through the gateway, the interface shifts away from a standard retail store layout into an interactive gaming area featuring highly popular modules like the virtual tree planting simulation or the coin wheel spin. These models are not just mindless digital distractions, they are the literal pipelines for extracting free site currency. As you complete basic daily interactions within these spaces, such as checking in consecutively for multiple days or sharing unique item links, the system awards you specialized digital tokens or automated energy points. So once you see them and you're participating, you need to watch the tracking meters displayed at the top of these gaming modules with extreme care. As your progress bar hit 100% completion, the application algorithm automatically converts your accumulated in-game tokens into real tangible store credits and high-tier coupon codes. These rewards are pushed instantly to your central wallet. Returning to this specific rewards desk daily allows you to build a continuous loop of incoming promotional cash, effectively funding your physical shopping habit purely through structured digital interaction. Now, to ensure you never miss out on flash coupon drops, you must configure your external communication channels to feed data directly from the platform's primary marketing dispatch servers. So start by heading over to the Notification and Communication Preferences menu. You can see it right here, Notifications, and this is located right here in your profile options. Ensure to browse through these different options. You have promotions right here. It says be the first to learn about promotions, daily deals, and other exclusive savings. And you can see it's turned on for email and off for SMS. If you'd like to make some adjustments, you can click on edit and then make some adjustments to this. So if you want to try Temu yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get a free coupon on your next order. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.